Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you may be wondering, how much do I pay for insurance for my 2003 Hummer H2? Well, you may be surprised that I pay $216 for 6 months, and that translates to about $432 per year for the Hummer H2. Now, I own the vehicle outright, so I don't pay comprehensive insurance. I just pay for liability, and it works out to $432 a year. Now, if you bring that down to a monthly charge, you will see that it comes down to about $36. And if you bring that to a daily charge, then it costs me about $1.30 per day to insure my Hummer H2. Now, that is in contrast to the smaller 2006 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, which I have over here. To insure this vehicle, also liability only, it costs me $306 for 6 months, and that translates to about $612 a year just for this vehicle and for liability only. The reasoning behind that I don't understand, but I think probably this is more liable to undergo maybe theft. They have very big catalytic converters underneath these vehicles. Those are very prone to be stolen also in certain areas. Where I live, there's a lot of Second Amendment people, so your stuff is less likely to be touched in my neck of the woods. So I was actually shocked when I looked at the numbers. What I would advise in case you have a Hummer H2 or similar vehicle is to shop around. You can check online and then also check with your local insurance brokers. You might be surprised, you might be pleasantly surprised that some of the local brokers might actually have better rates than some of the online insurance companies. Also, don't get stuck with one insurance company. Go ahead and shop around probably every 2-3 months and see if you can get a better rate. For me, I was with one of the legacy insurance companies for so many years, and I never questioned the wisdom of the rates that they gave me until I talked to one of my neighbors around here, and he said he was getting a very great rate from a local broker. I talked to the person, and I got my insurance from one of the majors through this local broker, and the rate he gave me was really excellent, as you guys can attest. I think paying just about $400 and something $432 for a year to insure my Hummer, I think that's a really great rate. What do you guys think about that? Let me know down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and remember, shop around for your insurance. There might be a greater rate, a better deal out there for you. Thanks for watching again.